Upselling is not an ugly word. A lot of people don't like it because they feel like it just lines the company pockets, but it does a lot more than that. It's not used as a tool to just line the company pockets, but it's used to basically complete the customer experience. So this customer reached out to us and he wanted to have his driveway cleaned. And I got out to the house and I noticed that some of the houses as I was pulling in had moss on the north side of their roof. So I looked at his roof and I saw that there was a little bit of moss up there. I talked to him, I pointed out the moss and I said, hey, it'd be a much better value if we took care of that now instead of, having you wait a long time and then having us come back out. It'd be more expensive to remove full-fledged moss versus the small bit of moss that you have going up there. He looked up there, saw the moss, he agreed with me. I gave him a great price. So we ended up doing the driveway, a siding soft wash, and a roof soft wash for this customer. The house came out looking fantastic. The customer was happy. We got him a great rate and the job became a little bit more worth it. So either way, I'm going to shut up now and I'm going to let you guys watch this clip and check out this siding soft wash, roof cleaning, and driveway. Tell me what you think.